Hi, in the last two videos, I have talked about two apps related to spoken English and vocabulary. In this video, I am going to talk about an app which is related to English idioms and phrases. So, let's have a look on the demo of it. The app name is English Idioms and Phrases. If you have to install it, you need to go to Play Store. Here you have to type English idioms and phrases. It's already in my search list. I will just click on it. So this app is by MS Apps. And here I can see it has got more than 1 million downloads and also a rating of 4.5 star. This app can also be accessed offline. Right now I don't have any internet connection. So let's have a look at the working of this app. Once I click on it, I can see there are a lot of sections. So one by one we will be covering each section. A short intro is also given with every section. So the first one is Popular English Idioms, and here they have written that explanation, example, and these are arranged in categories. So if I click on it, I can see so many categories. If I have to see something related to time, then here a list of idioms will come that is in this particular category called time. If I click on this high time, so meaning is given and how we can use it in a sentence. An example is also given. If I want to save it, I just need to click on this star option. And if I come to this favorite section, I can see whatever I have saved, those things will appear here. If I want to remove it, I just need to click on this cross option. Okay, so this recent tab acts like a history. It will show whatever idiom you have searched on which date and at which timing. So it's showing me today's list with time. Also on 18th of August what I have searched. In this money section I can see with every category they have given this search feature. So if I want to search something related to song, so if I will just click on this song, see whatever word I have searched, so the list of idioms which will contain this word, those lists will appear here. If I have to search something related to gold, these two idioms are given along with its meaning and example. The other one is English Idioms Dictionary. So here they have just given randomly, it's not arranged alphabetically. If I have to search for something, I can use its search feature and I can see. So if I have to search something related to health, so the idioms which will contain the word health, those will appear here. Then the tabs are same, favorite and recent. In favorite, whatever I will save, those will appear here and recent will act as a history. The other one is Favorite English Idioms. So the idioms which I have saved, those will appear here. If I want to remove it, I'll just remove. If I want to see something, I'll just click on it and I can see it with its meaning and example. The other section is English proverbs with their meaning. So with each section they have given a short intro. Here also they have provided that what is the meaning of proverb. A list is there and every proverb is given with its meaning. If I want to save, I just need to click on this star option. So you can see here also we have search feature. If I want to search something, those will appear here. So let's say if I have to search proverbs related to bad, that should contain the word bad in it. So I am getting all the list. Now the other section is most common phrasal verbs. So here they have given the definition of each and example also. If I want to save something, I just need to click on this star and I can see it here. If I have to remove, I just need to click on this cross option. Now they have also given American and British slangs. So let's have a look. Here also you can see definition example is given. So with each slang they have given the definition, example. They also have a feature called quizzes. So if I go in this particular section, now if I want to have a quiz of those idioms that start with K, if I click on it, I'll be getting all the idioms which starts with K. So I'll just be clicking on the option A randomly. So here I have got a score of 4 by 10. So the right answer is shown in neon green color and the wrong answer is shown in the red color. In this phrasal word quiz, also the thing is same. If I want to have, so they have given the categories. So let's say if I want to have a quiz of this thinking. Once I click on this submit answer, so here it is showing that my score is 4 by 8 and here also the right answer is given in neon green color and the wrong one in red color. So this was the whole working of this app. I hope you like it. In case if you are having problem related to spoken English, you can join my FB group in which on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday I conduct spoken English classes for free. Thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video. Bye.